Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make yellow rice. All the ingredients can be found in the description box. So don't talk crap about my pan. This is my favorite rice pan that I love to use. It cooks my rice very well. I had it a long time. So I'm going to add to this one onion that I've diced. I melted down 2 teaspoons of butter along with 1 teaspoon of canola oil. And I added the canola oil to raise the smoking point so the butter doesn't burn. I'm just going to cook the onions until they're translucent. And I'm working on medium heat. So my onions have been cooking for about 3 minutes. They're beginning to turn translucent. I'm going to add to this 1 cup of basmati rice. I didn't rinse it because I'm going to be toasting the rice. However, you can rinse the rice and let it dry and then toast it if you desire. So I'm going to cook this rice on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I think my rice is cooked long enough. So I'm going to add to this is 1 cup of basmati rice. I'm going to add 1 3/4 cups of water. I'm going to allow this to come to a boil. So in the meantime, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. If you don't want to use bouillon, you can use 1 3/4 cups of chicken stock. You just need to taste it and add salt as necessary. And then you have a teaspoon of ground saffron powder. Just a quick stir. Just want to make sure the saffron is dissolved. I'm shake in a little bit of black pepper. I'm gonna add too much, and I'm using coarsely ground black pepper. I'm gonna have a teaspoon. And one final stir, and toss in my bay leaf. Then once the rice comes to a boil, which is starting to come to a boil now, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and turn the heat down to low. And then we're gonna let this go for 15 minutes covered. So it's been 15 minutes, and the rice is done. I'm gonna go ahead and fluff the rice and remove it off of the heat, of course, and I'm going to uh, let that sit for about 10 minutes covered. Just let it finish steaming. And then we remove the bay leaf. So here's the rice. I just garnished it with a little bit of dry parsley. Please add this video to your playlist and hit the thumbs up and share this video. Give it a quick taste. And if you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe and ring the notification bell. Wow. You taste all the flavors from the onions, the bay leaf, the saffron. It's absolutely delicious. Please try this recipe. Let me know how you enjoy it. And stay tuned for more recipes in the future.